All right, 7th grade. This is lesson 10 in math estimating quotients. All right, our quotient is the answer to a division problem. Reminder, compatible numbers are numbers that are easily to divide mentally. It says estimate a quotient when an exact answer is not needed. Problem number 1. A certain auditorium can seat 4,385 people. There are 73 rows of seats. About how many people can sit in each row? So we're going to estimate these two numbers using compatible numbers. So we're going to change the 4,385 to 4,200, and then the 73 to 70, and that equals 60. That's our quotient. So about 60 people can sit in each row. Problem number 2, you should also estimate to tell if the quotient is likely or reasonable. So Tawana enters 498 divided by 6 on the calculator. This display reads, 83. Is this answer reasonable? So to estimate that, we're going to round 498 to about 480, and then we're going to divide by 6, which comes out to about 80. So yes, since 80 is very close to 83, the answer on the calculator is reasonable. All right, now down below, we are going to estimate. Now, on this one, if you do this to compatible numbers, I have 5,400 divided by 92. I'm going to round to 90. And then when I do that problem, I know that 54 divided by 9 is 6, and then I'm going to add a 0 for 60. Make sure you have this information copied down before going on to the next page. When you are doing this and estimating, if you show me the work, then I could say, yes, that was a reasonable estimation or a reasonable answer. So like on problem number 2, 170. Well, when I'm talking my eighths, I know that there's 16, and then the next answer is 24. Well, 170 is closer to 16. So I'm going to say that this is 160. 160, and then I'm going to divide by 8. And I know that 16 divided by 8 is a 2, and then I got to add my 0. So you just pick numbers that are compatible numbers to divide. So 324 divided by 6. Well, my number's 6. So I could either go to 30 or 36. Well, 30 is closer, so I'm going to say that this is 300 divided by 6. When I do that, I know that 30 divided by 6 is 5, and I add a 0. So what you're going to do is you're going to write the problem down, estimating your problems, and then giving the answer. That's what you're going to do on 2 through 13. Make sure you copy down the ones I gave you. Down below on the word problems, you are going to read the word problems. You're going to write down the numbers that you have estimated, compatible numbers, give an answer. These are all money problems, so make sure that you label it with the $sign. Don't forget to finish the assignment. Submit it to me through Canvas when finished. Good luck and have fun.